So this happened in clinic the other day. I call in my next patient, normal day, nothing unusual. She sits down, late 30s, completely calm, smiling, and the first thing she says to me is, "Oh, by the way, my dog loves eating my earwax." I just paused, because now I'm thinking, how did we go from a routine ear cleaning to that? But it gets worse. She tells me every time she cleans her ears with a cotton swab, her dog is right there, waiting, tail wagging, like it's a treat, a routine. So I ask her, trying to stay professional, "You actually give it to him?" And she goes, "He loves it. I even save extra if he's been good." I'm already questioning everything. But then she says, "It was fine until my husband found out." Now I'm locked in. I ask what happened. She leans in slightly and goes, "At first he thought it was disgusting. Then one day I caught him taking the cotton swab. I just froze." So I go, "Wait, he ate it?" She nods. And now it turns into this full situation. Wax going missing. Her husband hovering around, even competing with the dog over earwax. As insane as that sounds, your brain actually reacts strongly to earwax because it ticks 3 powerful triggers at once: disgust, curiosity, relief. Your brain sees something that shouldn't be there, and when it's removed, it feels satisfying. That's the same loop behind why people binge ear cleaning videos. Problem to removal to clean to reward. And once your brain gets used to that loop, it can start craving it in weird ways. Now here's where it connects to you. Most people won't do anything like that, but they will panic the second their hearing feels off. You get a bit of blockage, sound feels slightly muffled, and your brain jumps straight to, "Am I going deaf?" That reaction is actually very common. Hearing is one of your brain's threat detection senses, so when it changes, even slightly, your brain treats it like something serious. And because you can't see inside your ear, your brain fills in the gaps, usually with worst-case scenarios. That's called catastrophic thinking. Then anxiety kicks in, and now you're hyper-aware of every sound, testing your hearing, comparing ears, noticing things you'd normally ignore, which makes it feel worse than it actually is. So let's ground it. Earwax itself almost never causes permanent hearing loss. It can block sound temporarily, but once it's cleared, your hearing returns to normal. So if your ear suddenly feels blocked, don't panic. That reaction is your brain, not reality.